Hey there, it's Jody from Vermont Natural Coatings, and today I'm going to be showing you how to protect your wood furniture products with our non-toxic ultra-low VOC PolyWhey furniture finish. Before applying PolyWhey furniture finish, be sure to clean off your wood surface. To clean off our table, I'm going to be using our non-toxic wood cleaner. Now we'll open up our can of finish and give it a good stir before we apply. Stir until all product at the bottom is incorporated and your stir stick comes out clean. To apply your PolyWhey furniture finish, we recommend using a brush, a pad, or a roller, whatever method works best for you. When applying, be sure to maintain a wet edge and apply with the grain of the wood. Now that you've applied your PolyWhey furniture finish, let it dry for about 2 hours before moving on to the next step. After your first coat of PolyWhey furniture finish has dried, you're going to notice that your furniture is going to feel a little rough. This is called grain raise, and it naturally happens with water-based finishes when it comes into contact with bare wood. To knock down any grain raise, we're going to use sandpaper 220 grit or finer. After sanding, take a clean dry cloth and remove any remaining dust from your piece of furniture. Now that you have a smooth, clean base, you're ready to apply your second coat of PolyWhey furniture finish. After applying your second coat of PolyWhey furniture finish, allow it to dry for 2 hours before applying your third coat. No sanding is needed between your second and third coats of PolyWhey furniture finish. Thank you for watching and supporting our mission to create sustainable, non-toxic, and safe wood coatings. We can't wait to see all of the incredible things that you create with our furniture finish. Subscribe to our channel to learn about all the different ways that you can use our non-toxic wood coatings. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.